Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was literally about maybe $100 or maybe like $105. The only things that you don't see here is 2 packs of 45 count of water, and then a Mountain Dew case. But we went to Sam's because we really needed to get some bacon and stuff, and we picked up some other things, and then we did our normal Walmart haul. So we're just going to go over the Sam's haul real quick. So this fruit, the blackberries were on sale for like $6, so I had to grab some. They looked really good. The strawberries were literally $2.68. They were way cheaper at Sam's than they were at Walmart. We are having some hot dogs this week, so we picked up this jalapeno and cheddar smoked sausage. We're only going to do half of these and then freeze the other half. Bacon was on rollback, I guess you can say. They're originally like $12 and they were on sale for like $11. So it is 3 pounds of bacon, and it's three separate packs. Then I'm working night shift again, so I picked up some sharp cheddar cheese sticks, and these were roughly about $8, 28 pack. We needed some eggs because we go through eggs like crazy, from boiled eggs, from breakfast, scrambled, anything and everything. We love eggs. Alright, and that is everything besides the water from Sam's. Moving right along to Walmart, we needed taco seasoning for a recipe. Philadelphia cheese. I'm always okay with just the regular Great Value brand, but Jared doesn't like it, so we got that. An iced salted caramel mocha from Walmart, and this is for night shift this week. We're making some pizza, so we had some pizza sauce and then chili for the hot dogs. Cinnamon rolls for breakfast one time. Pepsi, this is strictly only for night shift, so I'm working Sunday and then I'm working the following Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I will take these to work and I will just drink one of those. Hopefully not every night, but we'll see. Chocolate syrup because Jared wanted it. Chocolate milk. We needed some more salted butter, and then Jared wanted some spreadable butter for whenever we make toast or grilled cheese. We're very fancy. We got the Kerrygold butter. Chicken thighs, they were on sale, so I picked it up. We're just going to freeze it. 2 packs of the lean ground beef, they were on sale, so I picked this up and we're going to have tacos with that. Newspaper, because if you don't know already, I do the weekly ad and inserts, so be on the lookout for that. That should come before this grocery haul. Alright, and then we picked up a sandwich. It was on clearance. This is just going to be for lunch today. Some potatoes because we're going to make some homemade fries and hash browns. Hot dog buns for hot dogs. We got the pizza crust for pizza night. And guys, look at this broccoli. I got this big old broccoli at Walmart for like $2.18 or something like that. So that's definitely for this week. Fresh spinach for a recipe this week. And then we got some garlic. The only thing, like I said, you don't see is the Mountain Dew also. So this is the overview of what we got from Sam's and at Walmart. It's a lot of stuff that we got this week, but it's all perfectly fine. Now we're going to go through the weekly meal plan. So the meal plan for this week, Sunday, I have to work 7p, so we're going to have stuffed chicken breast. So that is with cream cheese and spinach, and then some steamed veggies. I have some mushrooms and zucchini and Brussels sprouts that need to be eaten up before I use the broccoli. Monday, hopefully we're going to have some homemade pizza with chips and fruit. Tuesday, tacos with all the fixing. Wednesday, we're going to have breakfast. That's going to be the eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Thursday, we're going to have hot dogs with homemade fries and chili. And then Friday and Saturday, I left it blank because I have to work 7 p.m. So it's either going to be leftovers or I might have an egg sandwich, something like that. But I will keep you updated because I do the what I eat in a week videos. So make sure you go and check that out. And also, here's the overview once again. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend and ready to tackle this week, and I will see you guys later. And make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know if you do hauls like this, because I love hauls. I love watching them because it gives me an idea of what I should try and what I shouldn't try. But yeah, I will see you guys later, and have a blessed week.